everyone, Sharon here from the Owen Sound and North Grey Union Public Library Lego Club with this month's Lego building challenge, build something with wheels and then race it. See how far it goes. I'll show you. Find something you can use as an inclined plane, then race your car down it. Race them against each other. One, two, three. The winner! Change the angle of your incline by making it higher. Go. Winner! Thanks for dropping by the Lego Building Challenge today. Check us out in July and August. We'll have them every other Friday. Until then, keep building and creating.